Hey guys, Jim Hoffman here from TurboMed.com, and today, real short video, but I want to ask you a quick question and be honest. Have you ever wondered where all that water in your body actually is hanging out? Now, trust me for a second, this is really going to be sort of like an EMS test gold nugget right here. And I want to break it down for you in a way that's going to stick in your brain forever. So when you see it on exams and stuff, it'll just click for you. Here is I like to say, mind-blowing truth. Your body basically is running its own water management system. Think of it. It's way more organized than you might think. And it really makes sense, right? If you think about it, about 70% of your body's water is just sort of hanging out inside your cells, right? That's the ICF, the intracellular fluid. And that's like each cell has its own little mini swimming pool and is keeping everything going, okay? Now, that remaining 30%, or your ECF, the extracellular fluid, is really playing double duty in this whole water management system, right? Some of it's hanging out between your cells, things like your joint fluids, saliva, other stuff like that, important things that are going on between your cells. And the rest of that 30%, that extracellular fluid, is cruising through your blood vessels, keeping your circulation strong, okay? Now, like I said, something to always remember, and this is your $1 million test tip, this gold nugget. When you see any question about water distribution in the body, just remember this: 70% is always inside of the cells. That's really the answer you need to look for when you're looking at that question. 70% is always inside of those cells. Keep this little knowledge tidbit here, this little nugget close, because it's not going to just help you with test material. It's going to really give you some, that life-saving wisdom you're going to use throughout your EMS career. And when you see this stuff on exams, or when you get questioned about it by some doctor somewhere, or you're thinking about what's going on with your patient, remember this quick little tidbit, guy. I hope this little nugget of information helps you on that next test. And when you're sitting there doing an assessment with a patient and trying to figure out what might be going on with them and thinking about where is the fluid, what's happening with the fluid, 70% always inside of the cells. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm Jim Hoffman from TurboMedic.com. Stay safe.